Hello, my name is Charvi Dhariwal and I'm of grade 11A.
Hello, my name is Gautam Iyer and I'm of grade 11A as well. Today we are doing a project, our computer science project based on the game Tic-Tac-Toe, and we are going to guide you through the game as we play it. So starting first, we have three options here. Either we can play with the computer, or we can play a player versus player game, or we can exit. So we start with the player versus computer. So here we enter our name, and this is our board. So the basic rule of this game is we play as and when we start the game, and then the computer makes its move, and so the game continues. So I start with my first move. I'm 0 and the computer is X here. So it's 3. Now the computer has decided 4 as it shows on the screen. I score 2 and that's the game, as 3 boxes are ticked, so I win the game. So now we move on to the second player versus player game, which Charvi will explain to us.
Yeah, so this game you can have yourself and your friend play along, 2-player game, and we have player 1 entering the name, player 2 entering the name. So this is the board format as shown earlier. According to the board format, you enter the number and that number makes the move. So I make move 5. Yeah, so I am O and Gautam is X. He, as you can see, he's made a move 3 and you can see the X in place 3. And now I make move 4. And as we can see, Gautam has made move 2. I make move 1. Now I make move 6. And as you can see, it says that I've won the game. Now you can choose whether you wish to continue or not. So we'll just put continue.
Now we move on to the third option, which is exit, and so that ends the game. Thank you for playing and thank you for watching.
My name is Sunil of class 11 and I'm going to walk you through a program created by my partner Satish and I for a grade 11 computer science project. So we enter and go to the main menu, where we have a choice of 2 games, rock, paper, scissors, which is the childhood favorite one, and game of dice, which is the sort of betting themed game. So we play the first one, which is type 1, and the window pops up where we have 4 buttons: choose, rock, paper, exit, and we supposedly have to choose in rock. We see the computer has chosen scissors and I'm not. So we can continue playing to a hard spin, and when we are finally done, we simply exit. And we see the summary of our entire game and the results. The second game, we enter and we go back to the main menu. We back to the and pick a number from the dice. See 2. Yes, something is left for 10,000. And there are 2 sort of ways in which we can place our bets. One is the basic way, where we get back double the amount of what we placed the bet for. We have a more complex way where we store our money as in-game money, and over a certain period of time we get an interest in addition to the double the amount we won. So we go basic betting and we roll up. So we just roll the dice. We have 5 chances to win. And I chose 2 as the number. 6, 4, 9, 5, 3. And we've exhausted our chances. And if we try, we can double times. So we simply click exit. It takes us back to the main menu where we can exit the program. Thank you.
Okay everyone, this is our computer science project by Suryansh and me, Isha. We're calling it Math Fun because we made 2 games that are related to math and we hope that you enjoy them.
Yeah, hello, I'm Suryansh. This is the page where you get to see the 3 different options. The first one is the mind reader game, which I will be explaining. Second is sudoku, which Isha will be explaining. And then third one, the games. Okay, so when you choose one, you go to my game, which is the mind reader game. You need to think of any number between 1 and 63. Don't type the number and type start when you're ready. Yeah, so you will be shown 6 cards in total. Here's the first card. So for example, I'm thinking of the number 52. So yeah, it's not there on this one. It's not there on this one as well. Yeah, we can see the number over here. The number isn't on this one. Yeah, 52 is there on this. And it's there on this. Yeah, so as you can see, the program guessed the number 52. This can happen with any number. I'll take one more for an example. So now I'm thinking of say 32. So yeah, 32 is not there on this one. It's not there on this one as well. It's not there on this one. Yeah, it's not there on this one. It's not there on this one as well. Yeah, finally we see 32. So yeah, there you go. You just guess any number. Guess on your answer to these 6 cards. Now, yeah, each will be explaining sudoku.
Okay, so you can choose option 2 to play sudoku. And sudoku is usually played with 9 numbers. You'll have a grid of 81 squares, and each box of 9 and each row of 9 boxes and each column of 9 boxes will have all 9 numbers without any of them repeating. My version is with 6 numbers, so the same thing applies, all the same rules. So each box, 2 by 3, each row and each column will have all 6 numbers without any of them repeating. And all the variables here represent the blank spaces that you need to fill up. So let's say I want to replace the value of A. You can see that the box has 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6, and 5 is missing, so A's value should be 5. And as you can see, that's the right answer. So 5 is replaced in the place of C, in the place of A, sorry. Now, if I look at the first row, we have all numbers except for 4 and 2. So C could be either 4 or 2, and I'm going to try 2. And that was correct, so C is replaced. And it's obvious that B is 4. And we're done. Okay, so I'm going to move on to the variable E. So now this variable could be 1, 3, or it could be, it can't be 3 because the column has 3 in it, but it can be 1 and it can be 5. So I'm going to try 1, and that's incorrect, so I'll try 5, which is right. So E is replaced with 5, and you continue playing this way, and if you want to end the game, you can say quit, and it'll end the game, and you can play either of the games again, or you can exit, for which you choose menu 3, and that's it. So thank you guys.
So for our computer science project, we decided to recreate the iconic board game Battleship, where the intention is to sink your opponent's ship before they sink your ship. So with here, our opponent is the computer, And as you can see, we have displayed the rules. Our project uses the programming language Python. So yeah, let's begin. Over here, we get to pick the row which we would like to place our ship. Okay, so we picked our ship's position. It's in the cell 3,2. And now it's our turn to guess the position of the computer's ship. You can see the board and all the positions we've aimed at and missed so far. Okay, looks like we missed all 4 turns. Now it's the computer's turn. Now the board is showing us the computer's turns. Looks like the computer also missed all 4 of its turns. Oh, looks like we have a tie. Nobody won the game. Yeah, that's the end of our game. I hope you liked our presentation.